Hi everyone, welcome back to my Origami channel. Today we're going to make a new paper airplane. Take an A4 sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Now fold the same sheet across. Unfold it, then fold this half and half again. Fold it in half one more time, and then fold it in half again. Now we have this base shape. The side with the fold should be on top. Next, we're going to start shaping the wings. One corner will become the nose of the airplane. The other side is where the last fold is. This step is very important, so make sure to hold the paper firmly while folding. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Fold from the tip to the corner. Make sure to hold the paper tightly so the folds stay even. Turn this part inside out again. And fold it back. Here, what the model should look like from this side and from the other side. Now fold this part evenly. Be careful so the paper doesn't shift or become uneven. Fold it back and repeat the same thing on the other side. Now fold the whole model in half. Next, we're going to shape the wings. Fold the wings starting from about this point. Try not to go past this corner. You can fold slightly lower if needed. Now let's work on the nose. Fold this small part back along this line. That's it, the nose is ready.